Welcome back to the kitchen. So Aldi's here in the States has recently had a big sale on their big Hass avocados. And so I wanted to show you guys a little trick that I do whenever avocados come on sale so that I can buy a bunch and save them for later, and especially for my spicy jalapeno lime guacamole, which you can find right there. So first thing, we're going to take 2 ripe avocados. You can take 2. I actually bought 20 at the most recent shopping trip where I bought some avocados. But all we're going to do is we're going to take our avocados and we're going to take them in half and be very careful so we don't get avocado hand. And we are going to pull that off. What a beautiful avocado. Let's just take a second and look at that. That is beautiful. But we are going to do that with the second. And I really don't always buy the Hass avocados, the bigger ones, normally because the smaller ones we can get cheaper and always find, normally we can find ripe ones when we need them, but on an occasion like this, you can buy them up and let them ripen at home. So we're just gonna take the avocado and take our spoon, and I wanna do one clean scoop around. So you might have to go a little slow, and there we go. We've got one good avocado out. And we're going to do that with the rest of them. There's another. Pretty good sized seeds for these Hasses, but we're going to just scoop out the avocado, and then we are going to put them this way down. I like to go that way and set them on some wax paper, put them in the freezer overnight, and then put them in a freezer safe container. But I'm gonna get these finished up, put some in the freezer, and I've got some that are ready that I'll show you once I get the kitchen cleaned up. All right, I am out of the kitchen, and I've got bubble gum here right in front of me. Hey, Bubbles. But I want to show you guys just how simple it is to take a fresh avocado and turn it into frozen avocado. I don't know if you can hear that. This was a perfectly ripe avocado that I took at the right time. And Bindi wants some Bubbles, huh? But I made it so that I could freeze it. And then one great thing I like to do is take the frozen avocados, and they're perfect for making guac because they stay fresh and they don't brown as much when you actually warm them up. So one thing I'll do is if I'm out at the grill making my jalapenos for the guac, I'll throw these on the grill. Or if I just want some avocados to put on a burger or something, I'll just throw them in the microwave for like a minute. They'll get to a normal avocado type consistency. Hello, Bella. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you have, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm being attacked by some avocado-loving bulldogs. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel. I will see you guys soon.